I might ask you to draw me any line that's perpendicular to this line. So my y-intercept of -3, my slope is 2. I don't really need this line, I just want you to draw me a line that's perpendicular to it. But graphically, let me see what this looks like. Because my slope is 2 here, I want to keep in mind that's 2 over 1. My new slope, my opposite reciprocal slope, will be -1/2. And I could go from anywhere on that line. Maybe I start down here. My slope of -1/2 would go up 1, 2 to the left, or down 1, 2 to the right. There's my perpendicular line. Or maybe I start here, up 1, 2 to the left, down 1, 2 to the right. There's my perpendicular line. So opposite sign, reciprocal of the slope. You might see a question like this. Are these two lines perpendicular to each other or parallel to each other or neither of those things? Let's see. So I don't know what the slope is yet. Let me put these both in slope-intercept form. I can see dividing by that -4, my slope would be 1/2 x, and my y-intercept -7/4. Again, the y-intercept here I don't really care about. I'm looking at parallel, perpendicular, or neither. Over here I would start by subtracting the 6x. 3y equals -6x plus 9. My equation y equals -2x plus 3. So the question, are these two parallel? Well, now that I have them in this form, the slope of this one is -2. The slope of this one is +1/2. Are those opposite signs and reciprocals of each other? Yes, they are. So we would say these two are perpendicular. Sign for perpendicular is like an upside down capital T. Looks like that.